Hello, thank you for taking my Art Appreciation May term class online. Now, sorry, just wanted to reach out and go over some basic questions that some of you might have when taking my class. The first question, do you need the book? If you've watched the intro video, it will tell you you do not need a book for this class. Now, if you want to have a book, that is totally your prerogative, and I'm fine with that. The book that we use is Living with Art. Now, if you want to buy the school book and get it from the online store and pay the fee, that's fine. I find that book to be a little pricey. And out of all art books, they are fairly pricey. So the book that I would recommend is you can go all the way to the 6th edition. We are in the 12th, if they have not made the 13th yet, but I've been teaching this course this will be my 13th year of teaching it, going into my 14th. And so if you want that book, you can go back to the 6th, 7th, and get an earlier edition. You can get those online. None of the tests will be from the book. Okay, I create my own tests, and I'm going to go through everything, how I have it laid out, and make this as simple as possible for you to understand the materials. Now, first of all, when you get this information, all right, I want you to know that YouTube has all the channels as well. So you do not have to go through all the channels in the YouTube area, but there is a section where it says Art Appreciation. If you print out the page of what each section is, and then have that as a backup for YouTube, that might make it a little easier in case Blackboard ever shuts down. One semester I was teaching this, and Blackboard shut down right in the middle of the semester. And so students lost a week's worth of time to do the test. And so what I decided to do is put everything onto YouTube, so you can still check everything. You can use your phones to watch the videos, and just note if that should happen, which honestly during the Christmas winter term months, it happens every time. We get a dead week. May term doesn't happen as much, but it could happen, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys don't get stuck in that trap. Okay, so on that note, don't need the book. I'm going to go through the step-by-steps of how to get through this course. I'm also going to email you with my phone number in there. You can text me, you can email me. Either one I will get to. Text message gets directly to me, and I generally catch that a little faster, but in all honesty, I definitely try to get to the emails as fast as I can too. There might be a little bit of a lag depending on if your email goes into my clutter. Sometimes that happens, or it goes into my junk box. So I have to kind of look for things. So if you haven't heard from me and you emailed me, note that I'm not avoiding you. You might not be in my inbox, and shoot me an email or shoot me a text message. Then I will look for you, and generally I find you. I've noticed that some of you have already moved through and done the first part. Great. Okay. This is a self-paced class. You can go through this as fast as you like. If you want to burn through all the sections, go for it. Okay. The end date, okay, that I need everything turned in, all the sections turned in. I need those by June the 2nd. okay? And I'll send out announcements and emails and alert you if you're behind, okay, as we get closer to the end of the time. But June the 3rd is when class is over. That gives me time to grade everything. Now, I'm not going to wait to the last minute to grade things, okay? I'm going to grade them each day. I'm going to spend a day, part of the day, hopping online, looking to see if you did it. But if you're worried about a test, that's when you can email me. That's when you text me, okay? And I will reach out to you as quickly as I can. All right, so here we go. So when you look at this, okay, I'm going to start at the top. This is our section right up in here. And then we're going to scroll down and it says start here. Okay, I'm going to click on that. When you go to start here, you're going to see the syllabus, okay? Note, you can click on the link to get that printed out if you like. I also put it down here in the bottom. I do have my phone number. This is my personal phone number. You can reach me, and my email above here. Okay. Now we're going to scroll through, and everything is in here. It's pretty much a breakdown of what all the points and everything is. I'm going to talk about the paper. There are 6 quizzes. Okay. There were 600 points. The majority of your grade. And then we have the final exam, okay? My point scale, it's pretty much basic as everything else. And it's pretty simple how to go through this. Now, once you've seen the syllabus, all right, I want everyone to look at the syllabus, or you can use this video, okay? Then go to course documents. These are all the courses that you need to take. So we have week 1, okay? And this is the week 1, this is today, the first quiz. There is no wrong answer. I want to just see, can you hop on the blackboard? Can you take a test? Did you look at the quiz? Okay, all right, and go through that, all right? So there's no wrong answer. It's an automatic 100. Okay, then go into the section. Okay, so I went into what is art. Close this tab. Okay, so now you'll see intro to art. Okay, all right. Now under each one of these is I have links to videos. Okay, I also have this if you want to go to YouTube. So we'll click on this and it tells you 40-minute long video. Okay.
All right. Welcome to Art Appreciation 1301.
And so you'll hear the video and you'll hear the video and you'll be able to take everything on there. Now, if you need to copy the link, you can copy it at the top. All right. Now, down here, the videos that I showed are not available to be shown on the application when I was making this. So I put the videos down below here of any extra things that I feel that are valid content to watch. These are a lot of fun. I like this band. I think it's a great band, and I talk in depth in this. Okay, but if you want those links, they are also there as well. Now, go back to course assignments. Now, here we go. So when you go into a quiz, all right, so you click on this. Okay, here's the quiz. It'll tell you how many tries you get. It allows you multiple attempts. I have it on here, okay? So a lot of students will go into the quiz, okay? I give you 30 minutes to take it. It's 10 questions. So once you see the settings, okay, go in, begin. Okay, now what a lot of students will do is they will screenshot, record like I'm doing all the questions, okay? Get all the answers that they need on a side note, okay? Or they'll watch the video with knowing the questions. Okay, I allow you the first time to go through this and look at all the questions. I don't care that right now I'm showing you what it looks like. All right, I want you guys to get all hundreds on my tests. Okay, all right, and if you should happen to not do well on this, you can retake it. Okay, now note, if there is a short essay, sometimes the test will not give you the grade until I go through the short essay. If you leave it blank, it will count as a 0. I will not give you points. But if you do get the answer and you're not 100% correct, I will give you partial points. So remember that. At least give me an answer to work from. Now, at the bottom, okay, we have our paper, okay? Now, normally I would tell you to go to a place and visit a museum, a gallery, something that does, performance, theater, music, anything that was live outside of the school. Currently, we cannot do that, okay, because of the coronavirus. So at this point, I want you to go into YouTube, okay? Find something that's a live concert. It has to be live. I don't want a pre-recorded, something that's been like a music video if you choose so. You can choose a movie if it is art related, okay? Marvel stuff does not count. I want it to be art related. If you have any questions or concerns, did you do something that you would recommend? You want to question it? Let me know, okay? I have a lot of course descriptions, okay? The key that I'm looking for, 3 to 4 paragraphs long. This is a review. I don't care about the history. I know the history. Okay, I want to know what you are getting out of this. Why did you choose this? Did you learn something from this? I want your review. Okay, I want your personal opinion. Okay, I definitely need a cover letter. Okay, so name, title, what you're looking at. Okay, all right. Then once you're ready to submit it, you write it out. It's worth 100 points, actually technically 200. All right. Then you'll go down here, okay? Submit your writing or browse your computer, okay? This is how you submit it, okay? You click on the submit, so browse my computer, find the paper, upload it, send it, okay? And you just hit submit. If you have any comments, sometimes there's a comment bar. On mine there is, and I can give you a comment if you have any questions, okay, outside of that, okay? And that goes directly to my email when you do something like that. Now, when you get to the bottom of all the course, so you'll see quiz number 6, and then you'll see the final, okay? Some of the questions that are in quiz number 6 are going to be part of the final, okay? Now, the final is basically everything from quiz 4 down, okay? I do a cumulative final, okay? Your quiz 4 is basically everything that's between these sections. So between each section is what your quiz is about, okay? So I use the word quiz. They're technically mini tests. Okay, they do get harder as you go along. So don't think the first 2 is how the rest of the tests go. There's going to be more short essay as you keep going. Okay, all right. But you have all the time from now until the 2nd to turn this in. Get it in as soon as you can to just get it out of the way. All right. And if I don't hear from you by Wednesday, and have seen that you've not taken this, I will refer that you watch this video and take the first part, okay? But a majority of you have already started this. Thank you, okay? And so just kind of go through these videos and then take the next quiz. Go through these videos, take the next quiz. It's pretty simple, okay? Hopefully you enjoy all the work I put into this. And so let's go into color theory. So I'm going to copy this. Control C. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in a new format there. So,
all right, here's the next section.
So when you go in, you will see, okay, I have 33 subscribers, okay. You can click on my videos, okay. Now I do have a large amount of different videos to choose from, all right. So if you're looking for a certain video and Blackboard's out, all of my videos are currently right here too on my YouTube channel, okay? And just to let you see, it's just John Taylor. I do have 2 separate YouTube channels. So I did get kicked out of YouTube for putting music in my videos that I didn't get prior authorization, okay? So, but on that note, that's what we have, okay? So if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. On that note, thank you for taking my course, and I look forward to seeing what you guys write and talk about. All right, thanks.